Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little while since I've done a Primark haul, mostly because I've just not been there. And I just had like a little impromptu trip there yesterday to buy pants, and lo and behold, I'm £50 poorer. Anyway, so I'm going to share some of the stuff that I got with you guys, just random things. Like I said, like I can't be the only one that goes into Primark to get one thing and comes out with 100 other things that they really did not need, but bought anyway. So the first thing that I got, don't laugh, is this bag. It's a handbag. It's a Mickey Mouse one. I really like it. It's on the right side of naff. It's not too cheap and tacky looking, that I can get away with wearing it on a night out because it's completely black with these little gold accents of bows and Mickey Mouses and Minnie Mouse, and then it's just got a little clasp on the front that you press. Obviously during the video it would get stuck, wouldn't it? Yeah. And then inside you can see it's a handbag like this, so you can sling it over your wrist. It's actually got a decent amount of space inside as well. So I would actually be able to put my phone, my wallet and so many other things. So I think it's really great to take out, like, as in like day to day, not your normal everyday handbag, because my wallet takes up half the size of this bag anyway. But I really like it and it's cute. And this cost £14. Then another handbag that I bought, and you know what, I've seen so many copies of these on like Topshop and stuff, and they cost something like £30 to £40. This is £8 and I love it. Again, it's got this metallic silverness to it, exactly like the other one. You can sling it over your arm, and it's got a decent amount of space inside as well to fit all your bits and bobs. And let's be honest, our phones are just getting bigger and bigger these days, so them little handbags from the early 2000s just don't cut it anymore. We need ones which can fit our phone, our wallet, our lives. And this just cost £8, which I think is really, really affordable. So a nice actually, I'm actually going out after this video. I'm wearing black faux leather joggers and this Pink Ladies t-shirt from Zara. I think I might take this. I think it'll go nicely with my outfit. Now, last year was definitely the year of the slides, and I never found any that I really liked. I thought that a lot of the fluffy looking ones looked really cheap and tacky, and then I saw these the other day. I loved them. I like that it's got these nice diamantes on it, and the diamantes go all around the edge. My size is a size 6 because I'm a size 6. It fits quite snug, so your foot doesn't slip out. So I like that about these. Plus, when the light hits it from different angles, not this fake light, it like really sparkles and looks really cute. So I can't wait. Well, I'm gonna have to wait like 6 months for summer to start, but I can't wait to actually be able to wear these. Okay, so TMI, yeah. I buy all my underwear from Primark because I like to get rid of them after a little while, throw them away. They're so cheap, and I tend to buy these packs of 3s. So these were like the ones that are called cheeky. So you know you've got the cheeky bum cut. I don't flipping know. Anyway, you get 3 pants for £3. So my size is in medium. So I got just like these plain ones, random unicorn ones that says I love unicorn. Ain't showing no one my pants, no one cares. And then just these quite plain ones with a frill on the edge. So they're all £3 each. So for £9 I've got 9 pair of pants. So they're £1 each, so that's great. So I am going to throw out all the ones that are currently in my room, because Primark pants, even though they are cheap, they do tend to wear away quite quickly and fade and start to fall apart. So, and I always just like to replace my underwear anyway. People who spend like £20, £30 on knickers, like come on, they're knickers. I also love to get my tights from there, so I restocked because when you have long nails, my nails are starting to grow back. We have those moments of our nail going right through our tights, and then that's it. And it always happens when we're out in public and using a public toilet, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I bought a pack of navy ones, and I bought a pack of black ones. These are the 100 denier appearance weather sensor finish opaque tights. Keeps you warm when it's cool and cool when it's warm. I think that's a load of rubbish, because I've worn these in the winter in London and I just feel cold. But either way, they're quite thick. They're not, because they're 100 denier. This is 80 denier, so it's slightly thinner. I bought these in a size large. And the reason why I buy them in a size bigger than I am, because generally in most stores I'm a size medium, because taking yourself back to the time when you were a beautiful little child and your mother used to dress you in tights. Do you remember getting that saggy fanny at the front? Yeah, a saggy fanny does not work when you're a grown-ass woman, yeah? No to saggy fannies. So the reason why I buy a larger size is so I can pull it up so far to the point where it's like literally sitting under here. and it just keeps everything in place, and also it actually kind of sculpts your top half slightly as well and makes the fall of your clothes much nicer. So that's what I would always suggest, if possible, when you're buying Primark tights, buy a size bigger, because the only difference is the length, not necessarily the width. Well, actually I don't know, but pull it up as high as possible. That way you don't get that sag in the middle when you're walking around. The most unattractive thing about anybody is when they're walking down the street, their tights are starting to slide down and they're having to hoik it up. Yeah, there's none for that. Probably the most random thing that I've bought today is this. It says it's a 2-minute timer and it was 90p. And I just thought, oh, it's cute, a timer. Like, I don't know what I'm ever going to need a timer for, especially a 2-minute one. And then I figured it out. There's teeth on it. This is for children. So for those of you that have children that hate brushing their teeth, which is pretty much all of them, you use this and you tell your kid, all right, I'm going to tip it upside down. You've got 2 minutes to brush your teeth. 1 minute at the bottom, 1 minute at the top. I just bought it because it's cute. It's like the most stupidest thing. Well, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I'm just probably going to leave it there and whatever. I also got these earrings, which are Minnie Mouse earrings. I really like these ones, which are like the cutout laser ones. I've got Bart Simpson ones, Lisa Simpson ones, and Hello Kitty ones like that from ASOS. But these were £2 from Primark. Because as you guys know, it was the 90th anniversary of Mickey Mouse. So at the moment, Primark has, and loads of other shops like Cath Kidston and stuff, have done all these like kind of 90th anniversary range of Disney and Mickey Mouse and all his friends. So this is something new. You know how much I love the Primer Water by Primark. So they've come out with this one called Primer Water Charcoal. And it's one of their Prep and Perfect. It costs £2. And it says preps skin for makeup application, hydrating and detoxifying with caffeine. Anything with caffeine in, I'm there. Because for those of you that don't know, anything with caffeine in it generally kind of gets rid of any sort of puffiness. So it's great to use under the eyes. So I'll be interested to see how this one performs against the normal primer water, of which I've got like 100 backups. I got this very random mask. Again, it costs 80p. It's Bobby Dazzler Looking Lively Skin Polish Turmeric Cream Mask, enriched with turmeric root extract to enhance skin tone, green tea and perilla leaf. Energize your dull, fatigued skin. Okay. So basically, for me Asians out there, it's haldi. Haldi is great, turmeric. It's a great anti-inflammatory as well. I've still got a little bit tail ends of a cold, but I've been drinking my haldi drink every single night, and that's the reason why I am getting better than everybody else in my house. The Primark that I tend to go to is the one in Westfield, Shepherd's Bush. It's really, really big. They've got a new one opened up near my house in Harrow, but I've not been there yet. But they seem to have finally kind of sorted out that foundation, which is always out of stock, or there's only fair shades there. So I was able to pick up this new one, which is £6, and it is the My Perfect Colour Glow Foundation, medium buildable coverage, radiant natural finish with SPF 30. It costs £6. My shade is in Toffee. And then I repurchased, because my other one, the top was broken and it kind of leaked everywhere, so I binned it because it was just more mess than it was worth. And it is their My Perfect Colour Matte Foundation, which is natural medium coverage, matte finish, oil free, and this is also in the shade Toffee, and it is £3. I love this one. Like I said, it's a repurchase. And last but not least is this highlighter called Gold Digger. Oh my god, the colour, you guys. Let me open it because it's not been opened yet. I mean, it's still got the plastic over it, but look at it. Ooh, that is like the most beautiful gold ever. And this costs £2, which is great. Excuse me. If any of my recent videos you've seen my eyes randomly looking red, it's because I've just had a coughing fit and I've edited it out. And I just had a coughing fit, so my eyes gone red. But that is it. That is everything that I bought. Primark is just great. Let's be honest, we love it. I don't buy their clothes that much because, yeah, they're okay. But I actually really like their accessories, their home range, their makeup, etc. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.